What's up, guys? On today's episode of OK Cooks, we're cooking the
breakfast.
Oh my gosh.
Hot dog.
Let's get cooking! Alright, Alex, what are we going to be putting on this breakfast hot dog?
Good question. First things first, hot dogs. Now we're going to spice up the hot dogs a little bit. We're going to wrap them in bacon.
So you're saying we're going to wrap that dog in bacon?
We're going to wrap it in bacon.
So I want to be honest.
You've never done this. That's not the best wrapping technique. Let me show you exactly what you should be doing. So we don't want to wrap more than one piece of bacon around each dog.
Yeah, you don't want it too thick. Because you want that bacon to cook completely. How's this make you feel? Would you eat this?
Raw?
Yeah.
No.
Would you eat it cooked?
Well, yeah, we're going to eat it cooked.
We're going to eat it cooked.
So you take a dog. Best thing to do, seriously, is do this flat on a cutting board. You're going to want to take the dog, start it at the end, get a nice little cap on there, and then you're just going to start rolling. And you roll it at an angle. Make sure everything's getting tucked in.
Wow. Just put that little guy right to bed.
Tuck him in. And then once it's all wrapped, you just give it an extra little tuck to keep everything sealed up.
That's a rolled dog. Wow.
Now that we got these dogs wrapped up nice, let's get them in the oven, 400 degrees, 13 to 15 minutes.
I like that.
Alright guys, now that we got these dogs in the oven, let's talk about the bun. We're going to use a regular bun, but are we going to do something to it?
We are.
What are we going to do to it?
We're going to
French toast it. We're going to French toast it. So you know, a great French toast is made up of a few simple ingredients. Eggs. A little bit of syrup. I also like to add a little bit of cinnamon. I put a little bit of milk in mine. I'd say that's probably about half a cup. Let's whisk it. I think you've done it. Really nice. We're gonna put a little bit of butter in the pan that we're gonna be French toasting. So for these dog buns, we're just gonna egg one side. Leave the other side original, one side French, one side original, one side French. Ooh, look at that. Hello. Hello, soggy dog.
I can't wait to put a dog in that.
Speaking of dogs,
Should we look at them?
let's check.
Hey, also, we're going to just remind you, not in the beginning, not at the end, if you haven't subscribed, now would be a good time. Just go hit that subscribe button. What do you think, Alex?
I think that sounds like a great idea.
All right, Alex, now that we've got those dogs in the oven, we got our buns, French toast, what else are we going to be putting on this hot dog? Wait.
Breakfast hot dog.
Exactly what you think we do.
Hashbrowns. Let's get a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter in this pan. What is that noise?
Hash brown.
Ooh, them dogs ready to come out. For this breakfast hot dog, we're gonna need a little bit of a sauce. Alex, what's gonna be in our breakfast hot dog?
Sauce.
We're gonna have ketchup. classic hot dog condiment. A little sriracha. Oh,
Spicy.
wild card, agave nectar.
Ooh, the nectar of the agave. Just gonna stir it up.
Let's mix it. Should we give it a taste?
Yeah, let's give it a shot. Finger in, finger out.
Finger in, finger out. Worth it. Perfection.
This is the OK Breakfast Hot Dog. Heard it here first. Who would have thought? Let's crack some eggs.
Let's do it. Real quick, one thing I like to tell people when making eggs, it's usually people's tendency to salt and pepper an egg immediately. Just hold off. Salt and pepper it after it's done cooking. You'll be glad you did. I see you.
I see you.
Let's start assembling these breakfast hot
Dogs.
buns.
Let's lay those dogs down. Nestled in tight. Hash them. Look at that. Yeah, you need some over here. Look at that. Let's egg them.
Egg it up. Then what are we gonna finish it off with?
A little OK breakfast.
Dog sauce.
You're just flinging it all over the place.
We need to invest in some squirt bottles. Wow.
You know what it does need though?
What's it need?
I feel like it needs something green.
What do we have that's green?
I don't know. Pickles.
Wickles pickles?
Wickles pickle.
No.
Nah.
Never mind. You know what time it is?
Time to eat it?
It's time to taste it. Ooh, look at that dog. Ooh, you get a little bit of the French toast, a little bit of sriracha, you get a little bit of that salt.
You get everything.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh.
This is incredible.
Oh man.
Hot dog!
Oh, God.
Oh. Is it bacon? It's the egg, the sriracha, that agave, got that crispy hash brown, and then the French toast. You finished off with a little bit of French toast in your mouth.
This is unbelievable. Do we have any more sauce?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How's that feel? I will say I've never seen a French toast hot dog bun. This might be the first place you've ever seen it. That is really taking this hot dog to a different universe. It's on a different plane.
Agreed. Agreed. Huge fan of the sauce.
Look at this. See everything in there? See the dog, see the egg, see the brown?
See the brown?
Yeah, the hash brown. Can you not abbreviate it? You're very licky.
Dude, this sauce is on another level.
Oh my god, dude.
Yeah.
Should we just dip one? Should we just dip one in? Should we just dip one in the sauce?
Yeah.
Here, you take this. We have extra dogs, so we're gonna eat them. You want a bit of hash? You want a little hash brown in there with you?
No.
Oh god.
Well, that's a wrap. We did it. The breakfast hot dog is complete. Down the hatch. We ate it all. It was so good.
And if you liked this video, if it made you feel something, leave a comment, click the thumbs up, and subscribe.
Please.
We need them subscribers. We need them today. We're going to need them tomorrow. We're going to need them yesterday. So if you like this, subscribe. I think that's it.
That's it. We'll see you next time.
Let's get cooking!
Oh, hey man, did you see that episode of OK Cooks?
Oh, yeah, it was great.
Oh, I loved it. Something about that hot dog wrapped in bacon really made me feel something.
Oh, yeah.
All right, well, I'll see you later.
All right.